This is a very common question. Your badge normally comes pre-made with the logo already either printed or engraved on it. You then create the template and it'll print out just the writing. But then they want to change and they'll order a badge that has no logo on it, just a plain badge. So if they use the same template, they'll get just the writing, no logo. So how do we allow our template to print the logo? That it'll look like this. The easiest way to edit a template is go to where the template is stored. Go to the folder that says My NPG. Here's where your template is stored. Double-click on the template that you want to modify. This opens it up in the Name Badge Design. Click on the logo, then right-click on the logo, go to Properties, click on Properties, and you'll see that the Print to the Printer is unchecked. That means it will not print. Check the box, say OK, save it, File, Save As. Let's call it Will Print. Save it. And let's open it up now in the normal way you would open up the program. Name Print Graphics, double click, start making name badges, which opens up the same folder. Click on the Will Print, open it, and the placeholder is exactly the same as it was before. The only difference now is if you go to the print preview, which will show you what will be printed, you will see that the logos will print. That's the quickest way of editing a file that has an image on it that you want printed.